All right, I was going to go ahead and do a couple of problems from Chapter 5 and Chapter 6. Both of these chapters are pretty similar, and as far as setup goes, and the questions that are involved, again, very, very similar. So I'm just going to pick out a couple of these and show you, again, using dimensional analysis, how to solve for these. I've also uploaded a math conversions chart, and it has our common math conversions that, 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds, 1 milligram equals 1,000 micrograms, that sort of thing. So you can definitely use that when you're using these or solving these problems, because these are a lot where you'll have to put in a known variable. So the first one I'm going to do this number 12. And so we have 5 centimeters equal how many inches? So again, this would be our question. So we want to solve for inches. So I'm going to start out with inches on top. And since we're going to centimeters, or our information that we have is in centimeters, so now we have the setup inches over centimeters. So go to your known variable chart, or refer to your book in chapters 5 and 6 as far as the equivalents. So in this case, 1 inch equals 2.5 centimeters. And again, that is a known variable across the board, just like 1 week equals 7 days, 1 year equals 365 days, that sort of thing. 60 minutes is to 1 hour. So this is a known variable. And again, since this is centimeters, I'm going to put centimeters here. And so we have our information here, which is 5 centimeters. So I'm going to put 5 centimeters then over 1. So then our centimeters cancel out. So then we have 1 times 5 equals 5 divided by 2.5. And would give us 2 inches is equivalent to 5 centimeters. Let me also do one down here, pounds to kilograms. And again, this is the question that we're solving for, is kilograms. So I'm going to start out my information, or my dimensional analysis, kilograms to pounds. And again, refer back to your known variables page, or in your book again, and we know that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 pounds. Since this is pounds here, dimensional analysis says that we must put pounds here, and we refer back to our information that's in our problem. So I'm going to put 165 pounds over 1. Then we can cancel out our pounds, and then we have 1 times 165 divided by 2.2 divided by 2.2 equals 75 kilograms. So 165 pounds equals 75 kilograms. Okay, let's do this one, number 20. Again, we're solving for milliliters. The question is 2 fluid ounces equal how many milliliters? So this is what we're solving for. So again, always start with what we're solving for on top. So milliliters to ounces, and we know that there are 30 milliliters in 1 ounce. So therefore, whoops, that doesn't need to be equal. Again, since this is ounces, ounces have to be here, and over here we have 2 ounces. So this would be 30 times 2, which is going to give us 60 milliliters. Because again, our ounces cancel out. I'll go ahead and do one last one that's from chapter 6. Try to find one that we haven't done yet. So let's see here. Let's do the micrograms to grams. So the information we're given is 276 micrograms equals how many grams? So I'm going to start with grams on top because that's what the question wants us to solve for, and we're going to micrograms. So again, refer back to your known variables as far as grams to micrograms, and there is actually 1 gram is equivalent to 1 million micrograms. That is a known variable. So we take this, and again, dimensional analysis says that when you have micrograms down here, you have to have micrograms up here. So again, refer back to our question. So then we would plug in our 276 micrograms over 1. So then we have 276 divided by 1 million equals 0.000276 grams. And if you have any other questions, just shoot me an email. I'd love to help you.